Hi, I'm Jessica Reeder, a remote work expert at GitLab, and I am thrilled to welcome you to a series of fascinating talks on elevating culture. Now, culture is a slippery concept. We all know what it is more or less, but we aren't always able to predict how it's created, how it works, or how it will change when our people and our behaviors change. And for many of us, we're learning as we go, as we live through a monumental shift in not only our team's culture, but the culture we live and work in on a global scale. For today's sessions, we've asked some of the leading experts in work and in culture to share what they're learning, what they're doing, and what they can try to predict about the future. You'll hear from leaders in business and in academic research, and we'll explore everything from global hiring to building better connections to VC strategy to work-life integration. And we'll even tackle the all-important question, why didn't the world start working remotely sooner? This track is for big picture strategists who put people and relationships first. You'll learn valuable insights on creating a powerful, dynamic remote team. Take notes on what's working for Zoom, Dropbox, Robinhood, and Ardent Ventures. Apply new research from INSEAD. You'll walk away from today with new answers to some of the biggest burning questions of 2021. Let's get started.